quote unquote inside one of those buildings. Ladies and gentlemen, I mentioned we don't really get a whole lot of weather here in Southern California. However, we do get a lot of earthquakes, so there is no need to panic because I assure you, the tram is a perfectly safe place to be. We are fully equipped to deal with any kind of emergency if we're going to go to the event of an emergency. The best thing to do is remain calm and listen to some sweet music. Brandon, I think the worst of it's over. Uh-oh. Spoke too soon there, guys. Looks like the water main just caught Brandon. We better turn this into a getaway tram before we all drown. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. You just survived earthquake, the big one. Margie takes the other for Brandon with our getaway tram. Now that effect was featured on an episode of Bones, where they did not have a getaway tram. Check out what happened to them.